When applying Solaris Sunblock, or any other sunscreen product, here are some general guidelines to follow. Select the appropriate SPF. Choose a sunscreen with a sun protection factor, SPF, suitable for your needs. SPF 30 or higher is typically recommended for adequate protection against UVB rays. Dispense an adequate amount. Apply enough sunscreen to cover all exposed areas of your skin. A general rule of thumb is to use about a shot glass worth, approximately 1 ounce or 30 milliliters, to cover your entire body. Apply before sun exposure. Apply sunscreen at least 15 minutes before going out in the sun to allow it to fully absorb into the skin. Cover all exposed areas. Ensure that you apply sunscreen to all exposed areas of your body, including your face, neck, ears, arms, legs, and any other areas that will be exposed to the sun. Be thorough. Pay attention to often overlooked areas, such as the back of the neck, tops of the feet, and back of the hands. These areas can be prone to sunburn but are sometimes neglected. Massage into the skin. Gently massage the sunscreen into your skin using circular motions until it is fully absorbed. This helps to ensure even coverage and better absorption. Reapply as needed. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours or more frequently if you are sweating heavily or swimming. Even if sunscreen is labeled as water resistant, it is still important to reapply after water exposure or excessive sweating. Remember that sunscreen is just one part of sun protection. Seek shade when the sun is strongest, wear protective clothing, including hats and sunglasses, and try to minimize sun exposure during peak hours. It's also a good idea to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional for personalized advice based on your skin type and specific needs.